Today we are going to be showing you how to measure complex 2D shapes without using a CAD model. First, we're going to select our curve icon from the Tactile tab. Next, on the same tab, select Online Teach, followed by the option Open Scan. We can now take some points to define our scan routine. Take your first point where you want the open scan to start from. Then take another point to determine our probe's direction. Now finally take a point where the scan is to end. We can now allow CAMIO to run the command and automatically generate our scan path. Once complete, we can filter the points we wish to add to our program. Now CAMIO has created the code. We can click the Apply button to add this to our program. We can set our scan speed based on the complexity of the curve we are scanning. This is done using the Scan Velocity option available in the Scan Settings drop-down list. To keep the probe in the same plane, set the known path type from the known scan path option in the same drop-down list from the Tactile Scan tab. Now the program can be run in the normal manner. And that's it! We've created a 2D curve without using a CAD model.